Guys, listen to this. I was shocked when I clicked apply for a 150,000 point bonus, only to see a screen saying I wasn't eligible. Within 10 seconds, here is the first secret. Amex isn't denying your credit, they are denying your profitability to them. Today, we expose the Amex Anti-Churning algorithm, the business model behind why they treat you as a product, and the exact 3-step strategy I use to escape pop-up jail. If you don't watch this, you're literally losing thousands of dollars in travel rewards. In my opinion, knowing how this system works is the edge. I'll share the mistake I made and my favorite feature of the workaround. That sting is real. It feels personal, like a rejection. Many people feel angry, confused, completely lost. But here's the crucial distinction. American Express is not denying your creditworthiness. They're denying your profitability. Pop-up jail is a signal. Data that something in your profile raised a flag. It's not permanent. It's a temporary roadblock. Think like the bank. The algorithm made a cold, hard calculation. Awarding you this bonus isn't a good investment, yet. So, what exactly is this pop-up? It's a real-time message during your online application. It often appears before a final decision on the card itself. It's a swift, automated decision by Amex's anti-churning algorithm. Unlike other issuers, Amex operates a closed-loop network, issuer and network, giving it immense control and data. They earn big from merchant discount fees, generally higher than Visa or MasterCard, so they want high spenders. A 150,000 point bonus is a serious upfront cost they expect to recoup through your ongoing spend and years of annual fees. Organic daily spending signals loyalty. Large unusual transactions look like manufactured spend. Spend to hit the minimum, then stop. Major red flag. You can be approved for credit, but denied the bonus, because the risk is rewards, profitability, not repayment. Think about the numbers. A 150,000 point bonus is worth at least $1,500 in travel value. For Amex to break even on you, they need you to spend tens of thousands of dollars over several years so they can collect enough merchant fees. In my opinion, when the algorithm sees you only spending exactly $6,000 to hit the bonus and then stopping, it marks you as a loss. You aren't just a customer to them, you are a failed investment. That is exactly what triggers the pop-up. It's a calculated filter to block unprofitable bonus claims while still taking reliable borrowers. In my opinion, Amex is more aggressive than Chase's 524 or Apple Card, which doesn't dangle big sign-up bonuses at all. The mistake I made? I matched the churner profile. The fix is simple, but requires discipline. The algorithm ingests your opens and closes, your spend volume, your merchant mix, and whether spend is recurring or spiky. It rewards loyalty and consistent use, hallmarks of a profitable customer. Amex isn't trying to be in every wallet. They want to be the primary card for a premium segment. The pop-up is the gatekeeper to those lucrative bonuses. If it flags you, 150K points are left on the table. Treat this as a game, learn the rules, then play to win. One example of strategy in motion. Platinum removes the Saks credit July 1st, 2026 per SEC-compliant news coverage, and referral bonuses are capped at 5 per membership rewards card per year. The mistake I see many people making is spamming their referral links everywhere. Remember, the April 2026 update. Amex now caps referral bonuses at exactly 5 per calendar year, per card. If you've already hit that limit and keep sending links, the algorithm might flag you for atypical behavior. My favorite feature of the new system is that it resets every January, so if you're in jail now, being patient until the next reset can often be your golden ticket out. March 2026. Shutdowns were tied to buying groups and concentrated foreign spend. Net effect, tighter control of rewards outflow and stricter pop-up triggers. We share elite money hacks every Thursday. If you don't subscribe to CardVantage, you're missing out on at least $300 to $1,000 in annual rewards. Don't leave money on the table. Subscribe now. Let me be honest about how I landed in pop-up jail myself. I thought I was being clever. 4 months before, I rushed a minimum spend with classic manufactured methods, gift cards and payment services. Then I let the card sit in a drawer. I applied for the gold with a huge offer, and instantly got the pop-up. My profile screamed, spike, flatline, dormant, bonus hopping. I assumed my 800 plus score insulated me. It didn't. The algorithm watches behavior, not just credit. In my opinion, that accountability is step 1. Own it, then fix it. As a result, I lost out on 150,000 points. Painful and preventable. If you find yourself in pop-up jail, do not despair. The path back is 3 steps. Step 1, pause all new applications. Focus on organic spend, pay utilities, buy groceries, fill up your gas tank, cover subscriptions, put consistent natural spend on your cards for 60 to 90 days. A few thousand spread out beats one big suspicious spike. Here is an elite tip for step 2. Variety matters. Don't just pay your phone bill. Use the card at a physical grocery store, a gas station, and a local restaurant. This multi-merchant spend pattern is the fastest way to prove to the algorithm that you are a real human using the card for life, not a bot or a professional churner. I was shocked at how fast my jail sentence ended once I started using my card for small daily $5 to $10 purchases. Step 2, be strategic with referrals and application links, using a friend's referral signals, a trusted relationship. Remember the 2026 change. Referrers are capped at 5 bonuses per membership rewards card per year. Apply from a clean browser and use legitimate, verifiable offers. Don't spam links. Step 3. If you see the pop-up, cancel immediately and wait. Most data points suggest at least 30 days. 90 is safer. During the wait, maintain organic spend. Don't call recon. Frontline agents can't override the algorithm. When you've demonstrated good behavior, reapply confidently. This patient, methodical approach is the surest way to escape pop-up jail and claim your next bonus. In my opinion, it's my favorite feature of the strategy. You control the outcome by controlling your behavior. Specific red flags, rapid new accounts, cross-bank hopping, gift card heavy spend, third-party bill pay, and concentrated foreign charges. As reported by Doctor of Credit and confirmed by countless Reddit data points, March 2026 shutdowns linked to buying groups and unusual foreign spend. Meanwhile, Amex is pruning perks and capping referral pipelines. Big picture. They are throttling rewards leakage and prioritizing profitable behavior. Exhibit these flags and your pop-up probability skyrockets. We share elite money hacks every Thursday. If you don't subscribe to CardVantage, you're missing out on at least $300 to $1,000 in annual rewards. Don't leave money on the table. Subscribe now. Remember the signals, reset your profile, and the gate will open again. Ultimately, the American Express algorithm is complex and opaque. There are no guarantees. Protect yourself by looking natural. Track spending. Avoid manufactured spend or benefit abuse. Scrutiny increased after March 2026. Be extra careful. Stay educated with Doctor of Credit, our Amex, and SEC compliant financial news. When perks change or caps tighten, the community analyzes the impact first. Anticipate trends, space applications, and demonstrate value to reduce flags. Document large or unusual purchases with receipts, business or major life events. Be cautious, be honest, be patient. This is a long-term game. Use cards organically, be strategic, and stay informed. Do that, and you can navigate the system successfully. The pop-up doesn't have to be permanent. Treat it as a lesson that makes you a smarter traveler. Yeah. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Make decisions based on your own situation and research. Secret 1. Profitability, not credit. Pause, use referrals correctly, then wait and reapply. Get out of pop-up jail the right way. Subscribe to CardVantage for weekly elite money hacks. Don't leave points on the table. Play by the rules, think like the bank, and travel better.